Do you want to drive?
I can't drive.
Right, here, at least sit in the front.
Here I am again on the passenger side. I never have a choice, so I take the ride. Not knowing or driving or steering, so they take the lead.
I'll keep the windows down so you can breathe.
Without a sign, so take me to a place where I can find out how the answers to guide me, so I can decide. Just keep your foot on the gas and drive. Dear God, just drive.
So, where do you want to go?
Take me anywhere. Go fast enough so God can find me. Anywhere, so long as fear can stay behind me. Take me to a place where I can shout. Take me where I can breathe in and out.
Okay. When I can't breathe, it usually helps me to walk around for a little bit. Do you want me to pull over?
Fine, I'll try that. So, this happens to you too?
Yeah, sometimes. And, when it does, I can't really do anything either. And I just think, here it comes again when I hear his voice. It echoes in my mind, and there's no choice. Soon I'm crying and hearing the words that he last said. Your sister is inside my head.
What do you mean my sister's in your head?
All of them. Miriam, Anna, Annie, Emma, and they're everywhere. All the time they stand beside me. Everywhere I try to run, but yet they find me. Let's go to a place where I could forget. Let's go where I will feel no regret.
Regret?
Yeah.
What?
Look, I made him so mad that day. I refused to clean up my room. And I saw his pickup truck full of 3 or 4 guns. And I didn't tell my granddad.
What? You were what? 8? And what about your mom?
She left when I was a baby. My dad raised me, and I knew that he wasn't going to do his delivery route that day to all of your houses. I knew that day was going to be different.
I need a moment, please.
Willa! Avery! You're here! Oh, I'm not!
And I've been gazing at her light all evening, and late evening, and now early morning.
Maybe come back tomorrow, Albert.
I'm working at the restaurant tomorrow.
Well, I'm free Tuesday, or I could come back.
Goodbye, Albert.
I'll try both days. Bye, Albert! She's not out there. Perhaps we should call him and Dad.
Do not call him a debt.
May I blow my candle? What are we going to do?
Pray.
Where do you want to go from here?
My home, please.
Are you sure?
I don't have anywhere else to go.
So are you just, like, praying?
Yes, like,
Answers don't come from stars.
We're here.
They don't come from a sign.
Sofia?
Answers come from you.
Can we go to your house?